Hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how I do my manicure under 20 rupees at home. So first, look at my hands. They are in really bad condition right now. So let's get started. So in this first step, we have to soak our hands. So all you have to do is take a bowl, add warm water in it, then add half spoon of baking soda and half spoon salt, half spoon shampoo, and squeeze half lemon in it. Then mix all the ingredients, then soak your hands in this warm water for around 10 to 20 minutes. Then take half lemon and rub it on your nails. So now clean your hands with normal plain water. Look at my hands, they become so good only after this first step. Now pat dry your hands gently. So in this second step, we have to scrub our hands. So all you have to do is take a bowl, add 1 spoon of any scrub body or face grit. Like if you don't have this scrub grit powder, you can take half spoon of sugar and half spoon of coffee, mix them and add 1 spoon of oil and mix everything so good and scrub your hands. Scrubbing your hands can remove your dead skin. Coffee makes your hands look younger, help to look your hands more brighter, remove tan from your skin. Sugar removes all the dead skin from your hands. So scrub your hands for around 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off with normal plain water. Now clean your hands with normal plain water and dry them. Now let's move on to nails. Now I'm using this manicure and pedicure tool kit. If you don't have these tools, I'm going to tell you the alternatives too. So first we have to push back our cuticles. If you don't have this cuticle pusher, you can use the coin to push back your cuticles, then cut your cuticles. So if you don't have this cuticle cutter, so you can cut your cuticles with nail cutter too, and if you don't want to, you can skip this step. Now take this dead skin fork and remove all the dead skin from around your nails. Now cut your nails and file them. Now wipe your nails with alcohol wipes. Now the last but not the least, we have to moisturize our cuticles and hands. This step is really important if you want to make your hands look so soft and want to grow your nails. So don't forget to apply cuticle oil or moisturizer around your cuticles and on your hands. And the easiest manicure is done. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you so, don't forget to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel if you enjoy this video, so you can share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye.